Water your geraniums with this, and the neighbors will be green with envy. You can make this nutrient-rich fertilizer right in your own kitchen. Take 1 raw potato. It is not just useful for cooking. Grate it or cut it into small pieces. Potatoes are rich in starch, vitamins, and minerals that support plant growth, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain water more effectively. Put the potato into a bowl and pour in about 1 quart of water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, which contains natural sugars that help activate nutrients, support soil microorganisms, and improve plant health. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which enrich the fertilizer with extra minerals such as nitrogen and potassium, while improving soil structure and aeration. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a jar and let it sit for 12 hours so the ingredients can combine and ferment. After that, strain the solution. When you want to use it, pour some into a watering can. Then add about 1 quart of water so the solution is not too strong. Water your plants with this natural fertilizer, and you will notice how quickly they grow, becoming stronger and healthier. Regular use will improve their condition and support long-lasting healthy growth. Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. This is how I water my pelargoniums. My balcony will be bursting with flowers. The method is really simple. Just pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher. Then add a whole packet of dry yeast. Yeast is rich in minerals like potassium and amino acids that support root development and plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Coffee contains nitrogen, a key nutrient for fast growth and abundant flowering. Now add 2 small teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything well until the ingredients dissolve and form a uniform mixture. Prepare a pitcher with 5 liters of water and pour in the entire mixture. Simply take a glass of this magical mixture and water all your pelargoniums with it. Use it regularly and you'll notice an amazing difference. Even the pelargoniums that seemed weak will come back to life. This natural care method will keep your flowers healthy, strong, and beautiful all season long. Just 1 tablespoon of this will make your hyacinth grow at lightning speed. Start by preparing a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash, which provides essential minerals like potassium and phosphorus that support abundant blooming. Then add a tablespoon of coffee grounds. Their nitrogen content boosts rapid growth and improves soil quality. Next, take a dried banana peel, blend it, and add 1 tablespoon of the powder to the mix. Banana peel is rich in potassium and calcium, which strengthen the roots and help flowers grow healthy and strong. Now pour in some water and mix everything well. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into another container. Your fertilizer is ready. Before using it, dilute it with water in a 1:1 ratio. Water your hyacinth with this mixture once every 2 weeks. The results will be visible quickly. The plant will grow vigorously, and its flowers will become larger and more vibrant. These fertilizers will help you enjoy lush, blooming pansies. Pansies are wonderful flowers that require proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 easy-to-make fertilizers. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only enrich the soil with necessary nutrients, but also improve its structure and prevent drying out. Just add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, pour in a liter of water, stir, and let it sit for an hour. Then, pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in a liter of lukewarm water. Yeast supports plant growth, especially for those that need large amounts of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your pansies healthy and blooming abundantly. Regular use of both fertilizers will improve the plant's condition and provide the right growing conditions. You'll definitely be pleased with the results. This screw will water your plants. This trick will make your plants water themselves. Take a screw or a nail, the largest one you have. You'll also need an empty bottle and some string. Wrap the string around the screw, leaving about 3 centimeters free at the bottom. Cut about 50 centimeters of string and attach its other end to the screw's cap. Your irrigation system is now ready. Let me show you how it works. First, immerse the setup in water by dropping it into a glass of water for a few minutes. Then, fill the bottle with water and drop the cap with the attached string into it. The weight of the cap will make it sink to the bottom. Now place the nail into the pot with your chosen plant. The irrigation system is now in place, ready to water your plants when you don't have the time or when you're away from home. If you're going away and no one will be there to water your plants, place the setup in a larger bottle, or even better, a bowl. This will work perfectly during your absence. Thanks to this trick, your plants will never dry out and will continue to thrive beautifully. Never place flowers in a vase this way again. Do you love flowers but hate it when they spread out unattractively in the vase? There's a proven method to achieve a surprising result quickly. All you need is some tape and a little patience. First, trim the flowers to the desired length that fits your bouquet. Take the vase where you want your floral arrangement. The first step is to fill the vase with water. Remember, the tape must be dry. Attach the tape across the top of the vase, marking the diameter, ensuring it is centered. Leave at least a 1 centimeter end at the edges. Then, place strips of tape along the sides, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them to create a grid of small square openings. Once the grid is ready, place the flowers into the openings. This way, they will be arranged symmetrically, and there won't be any empty spots in the composition. Finally, you can enjoy the stunning result. The flower arrangement will stay in place and look beautiful,